Hey, y'all, it's your girl Shonda G, and welcome back for another Thrifty Thursday. It is our long weekend, which also means it is Caribana in Toronto. For those that don't know, it's a Caribbean festival we have every year, and everyone and their mother shows up, right? It's just the party to end all parties. I had to make sure that you guys were ready to match the theme, which is bold, bright, show up, show out, and skin out. So our first item is a staple. It's something that everyone should have and probably does have in their closet, but these were a fun pair. We have these great light wash denim shorts. My favorite thing about them is that they are such a lightweight denim, but also that they have this fun little detail along the hem with the scalloped edges, okay? So it actually makes them a bit more fun to look at, and they have this little fun hint of femininity to them. Great whether you're going to the parade, you're just heading out to a day party, or you're just out and about in this heat. You cannot go wrong with these. They're gonna fit a size 8 and opening bid will be $10. Now to go with it, I did not stutter when I said it's skin out, right? Where everybody of all shapes and sizes comes out and just enjoys and lives their best life. I decided to give you guys just a cute way to rock an item that I've shown you before. I've told you all before, having a great collection of headscarves, regular scarves, pashminas, anything that you can wrap is always a good look because they are going to be one of your most versatile pieces in your closet. I took this everyday fun scarf with this great coral and black print, and I just decided to tie it around, cross, and tie in the back to create this really cute crisscross top. The color looks great with the light wash of the shorts, and it's showing all of the skin. Okay, the belly is out. Opening bid will be $5 for the scarf, and I mean, it's the definition of versatility. You could leave it just there, but I always like to give you guys layers because you never know where you're gonna go. Then you need another classic basic, which is this great chambray shirt. Like I said, you can never go wrong with the denim vibes, and this darker blue is a cool contrast between the color of the top and the lighter blue, and it's just a great throw over. Just having a button up at all times is always going to be your best option because you can drape it over literally everything and it will instantly take you to a cool, chill, laid back kind of vibe. So opening bid will be $10 for this as well, and it's going to fit a size medium. We could have left it there, super cute, but I had to give you guys something extra bold and extra cool to finish off the look. So we have our infinite icy chain belt. Now this is an item made by moi for the line. You guys have seen it styled in so many different ways at this point, but that's why I wanted to create something that's versatile, one of a kind, instantly have your look elevate to the next level. We have the oversized chain, we have the shine, we have the little gems bling blinging. It's gonna make you feel like you're part of the parade without making you a part of the parade, all right? I decided to drape it over as kind of like an oversized necklace so that it really gave you that vibe of party time. So that's $75 on the site. It's a one-of-a-kind piece, guys, and there you have it. Easy, simple, throw on your favorite running shoes, and definitely wear running shoes, y'all, because you'll be on your feet. It's a whole workout. And just have fun. Be happy, be safe, and enjoy the festivities, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy shopping, and until next time.